I'm Jay, and this is the AprilAire 45 Water Panel Evaporator Pad, also known as a humidifier filter. Detailed installation instructions are located on the back of the box. There are two included in each box. The water panel is located on the inside of your humidifier, installed within the pad frame. It acts like a sponge, wicking water upward from the bottom of your humidifier. This moisturizes the dry air in your home, reducing the negative effects of over-dry air, such as allergy and asthma symptoms, dry nose, itchy skin, cracked warped wood floors or furniture, and static shocks. Over the course of the heating season, minerals build up on the paper pad, reducing its ability to absorb water. Because it's made out of paper, it is not cleanable and must be replaced a minimum of twice per season, which is why two are included in each package. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.